a week.
Every Saturday. Every Saturday for church.
So when I was your age, every day, 2 times a day, not 1 time, 2 times a day. Every day, mama make me clean. You talking about, oh, I gotta clean every week. Oh, I gotta clean every week. Oh, damn, it's about to be that time of the week.
Oh, yeah.
Nigga, it was about to be that time of the day for me.
But we Sunday morning. That's Sunday morning. I gotta go clean. I'm on so mean. You gotta make me clean. I'm on so mean. It's about to be Tuesday.
Oh, damn. Hold up. And then when I came Saturday, when all she gotta do is do what I did Monday, Tuesday,
Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Sunday.
No, yeah, Sunday, because you can't forget Saturday wasn't just any cleaning day. That's how she clean now on Saturdays. My Saturdays was do everything I did Monday, Tuesday,
Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday.
Plus more. My mama had me over there. Come here. Yo, my mama had me cleaning the tails. You think a joke? You think I joke? Mama had me clean.